Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not sending snaps. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you simply need to search for Snapchat, and basically you need to update. As you can see, my app is up to date. Then you simply need to go and open settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Snapchat and click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone. But still you face an issue, you simply need to go and open any browser. So once you are in browser, you simply need to search for is Snapchat down. So click on that. So as you can see that if there is no issue here, you simply need to go and open your Snapchat and click on this message icon and make sure that the person you are friend with did not block you on Snapchat. You simply need to hold that person name, and here you simply need to click on manage friendship, so you can see from here. So these are the all steps that you need to follow to fix this issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.